You can talk about such a great feeling as love. You can write poems and songs, and tell everyone you know. But sometimes, all you need is to do something right. It will mean more to a person than any word you can say. Today we'll share the little things that can help you express your love. So, don't skip the video, and please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned with our channel. Let's get started. Give your partner some time to rest. After a hard day, we all need some time to rest from work and focus our attention on our normal lives. Don't rush into the routine of housework. Give him or her some time to rest, and some alone time, if he or she needs it. This type of emotional recharge will help you avoid conflict. Don't forbid them to see their friends. When you're in a relationship, the last thing you need to do is turn your partner into your property. Each person needs a private space and time to spend with friends. So, the next time your boyfriend or girlfriend wants to spend time with their friends, don't be mad. Let it go and enjoy it. Give compliments. Girls aren't the only ones who love to hear compliments. Guys love knowing they look good too. So, tell your boyfriend that he is very handsome, that his shirt fits well, or that his shoes are great. Do the same with your girlfriend. This is one little thing that can make them feel good. Be a good listener. If he or she wants to talk to you about something that you don't know about, don't turn him or her down right away. Sometimes they just need someone who can hear the latest news, know all the sales, and see all the things they bought. Don't be angry at those times. Try to be a kind and understanding partner. Pay attention to the things they love. Happiness consists of little things. Their favorite sweets and fruits and washed dishes may seem insignificant, but it will be a great sign to him or her that you remember what they like, value your relationship, and love them. Such simple things can make people happy. Dream together. A palm tree, the sea, a cocktail. We all dream of a vacation like this. So, if, in the dead of winter, your girlfriend comes home and shows you your new hat, dress, or bathing suit, don't be mad, and don't say it was a waste of money. Instead, dream about how great it would be to go on vacation together. Be both a girlfriend and a friend for him, not a tyrant. Criticism, dissatisfaction, and attempts to get involved in masculine things are not the things that men want from their girlfriends. Let him be independent, let him decide how to fix something, and let him choose what to wear at home or which ringtone to set. He needs to be able to make decisions on his own when he is with you. Do the same thing with your girlfriend. Love is complex, and a mix of emotions, behaviors, and beliefs associated with strong feelings of affection, protectiveness, warmth, and respect for another person. These 7 facts will show love to your partner without saying any words. So, viewers, I hope this is going to help your love life. If you like these facts, please subscribe, like, share, and be with us for the next video tomorrow.